Hello, my crafty friends, and Happy New Year. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I was invited by Anna Torres, she is Lace Boutique One, to create a few projects using her new 2019 Valentine's Day collection. For this video, I'm going to focus on the Love is Kind, which is her pink collection. I love this collection. It has beautiful pinks and corals. This is the first design in the set. As you can see, it's got this beautiful French script writing in the back and stamps. You also have these lace little hearts, these lace details. I love these cherubs. I'm holding this closer so that you can see. Look at these adorable little cherubs. And then this is the signature page. It says, "Love is patient, love is kind." And on this side of the sheet, you have the sentiment on the lower part of the paper. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I just printed this out on 65-pound bright white cardstock, and you can see how vibrant the colors are. You can just imagine how much more vibrant it would be printed out at a higher resolution. This is the second sheet. This has all over roses and more of the script and the cherubs in the back. I love the corals, the light pinks, and this deeper pink here. The next sheet, you have the rose border on either side of the sheet. You've got more of these adorable little cherubs. And in the background, you can see these little hearts. They're so light and delicate. This next sheet has the all over roses, but in the background, you can see the silhouettes of the hearts, and there's no printing on this sheet. This sheet has all over roses, but you can see these little specks here of white in the background. Very pretty. And when you purchase these 5 sheets, you also get a set of tags for free. You have this large tag here, and it has a sentiment printed on the bottom. You have this smaller tag, but is equally tall, with a cherub in the center. And then you have these 2 smaller tags. This one has a sentiment, and then this one is shorter, but it's wider than this top one here. I made this gorgeous bustier purse. This is created using a digital file that I purchased from Creative Cuts. I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. The great thing about this file is that you can use it in your electronic die cutting machine, such as a Cricut or a Silhouette, and you can also print and hand cut these and make this exact design that I'm showing you. I love the way this bustier turned out. This is about 2 inches wide. The width is 6 inches across, and this is just about 9.5 inches tall with this handle. As you can see here, I've used this beautiful pink paper with the all over rose detail. On the top here, I have this beautiful white polka dot trim lining the top of the bustier. I did use this beautiful pearl trim set to go under the bra. I've used a pretty applique in the back behind this rose, and then this trim has a crochet detail here that's hanging down and a little pearl in the center. I think that rose is so delicate. And on the bottom here, I took more of this polka dot lace trim to outline the bodice. And then I finished it off with this thin pink ribbon that has little strands of silver going through it. And then I put 3 little baby roses, the light pink coral, the green, and then white. And then I've distressed the edges with a light pink ink. This is the side. And this is the back. I love the curves to this box. It is so dimensional. And this is what the inside looks like. The second project that I created is this beautiful Bustier Card. I think this is just so pretty and feminine. This measures 7 inches tall, and it's roughly about 3.5 inches at its widest point here at the top. I used this white polka dot lace like I did for this purse. I did use a coordinating green color to bring out the greens in this paper. I created this double bow. I think they call it a wedding bow. This bow was also cut out on my Cricut maker, which I just got for Christmas, as well as this card. This is a digital file in Cricut maker, and I enhanced this bow with this beautiful crochet bow in white, and then on top of that I layered this white rose with pearl, and this has beautiful crochet trim on the bottom. And then I finished the card off with these beautiful pearls. I included more of this polka dot trim on the bottom here. Isn't that beautiful? This is what the back looks like. And on the inside, I've included a piece of white iridescent paper, and then I will stamp a sentiment. On the sides, I left them as is. However, you can cut out another piece of decorative paper to cover up the lace trim if you like. I also made tags. These tags are made from the Graphic 45 tag die. I took a piece of chipboard, I covered it with this beautiful decorative paper on the front and the back, and then I put this pretty light pink and gold ribbon on the top. I layered it with a piece of green paper, and these are bows that I've created. These bows are just stuck on with a removable glue dot. However, we've got two different bows here. One is done with pink and this white iridescent paper and a light rose. This one is done with pink and a green coordinating paper, and I've got this crocheted floral applique in the back, and then I've finished it off with this light pink bow. On the bottom, I have this polka dot trim, and then I've lined this with pearls. Isn't that pretty? And on the back, I've left this blank because I really wanted you to see the beautiful paper. You can see the lace trim in the background that's printed. And here's a sentiment on the bottom. It says, "Love is patient, love is kind." I finished the back with more of this trim and pearl detail. I created another tag. I have not embellished this one yet. I wanted you to see more of the beautiful paper. Here's a cherub on the side. Here you have the sentiment that's in the middle of the tag. We've got more of this trim and pearl detail. And then on the back, you have this beautiful cherub, which is front and center on the tag. This concludes my review of my Bustier purse and a review of the Love is Kind paper collection by Lace Boutique. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to check out my next video that shows you how to make this beautiful Bustier project. Bye for now, and Happy New Year.